right, here you guys are, EcoWasher customers,
Hey.
Thunder Pure,
We
Air
love
Purifier customers. They
Don't
love
forget-
our Healthy Home packages.
Don't forget the Recar.
And the Ricard, the hermetically sealed machines. Now, may I have your name, please?
RJ Bradner and my wife Connie Bradner.
Connie and RJ.
Yep.
How long have you guys had our wonderful Healthy Home products?
Three months.
3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so how do you like your Ricard, your hermetically sealed American technology product?
Wow.
Yeah.
We
It's
love
actually
it.
working good. Yeah, it replaced several machines, so this is all good.
All right. What did you have before? What kind of vacuums?
It's
Auric.
the one that you ended up having. It's the Auric 9000, which
Okay.
was a great machine for many
Yeah.
years.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's
And
better
I'm-
than Bissell or anything else.
I do the vacuum. It needs to be,
Yeah.
for the most part, she does some obviously.
Nice.
But I want a good tool, and that's a good tool.
Absolutely.
So that's how I look at
Absolutely.
that.
So, how do you like your EcoWasher? You were just telling us about it.
No soap. Once I got the machine cleaned out from the years of using Tide and all these other products, it's all, quite frankly, I love it. It's easy to do. You put everything on cold. You can throw stuff together. It's easy. Even a dummy like me can wash clothes with no problem.
Yeah.
Now, this is what I noticed right away. The towels are smelling better. They don't smell like anything. Let me say it a different
Right.
way.
No
Right.
There's no
sweetness.
perfume in it. There's no,
Right. No chemicals.
and what a difference.
Yeah.
And fluffy. I mean, everything.
It brought the
feels
fluff back. It
more
leavened it, right? Kind of
yeah,
like
it feels
yeast.
more full-bodied. Your clothes, your towels.
Yeah, well, it took all the gunk
sheets.
out. That's the detergent, gunk, scum, and slime that was in
you
there.
know, of course, fabric softener. Never. You
Oh,
know,
yeah.
you don't want to use.
You don't need it.
You don't need it.
No.
Right,
That's
right.
spot on. Go back to
And so you're using the hose, the sprayer hose.
to wash everything.
Yeah.
I first started with the cat's litter box, the shovel and the thing that we put the
Right,
litter, when we
right.
scoop it out. And I noticed it made it like new. The
Isn't that
shovel itself,
amazing?
it's metal.
Yeah.
And then I'm using it to wash. You name it, I'm washing it. And
He's spraying everything.
I'm
The bottom of our shoes, you know, we like to wash.
Oh yeah, it disinfects it.
shoes.
It's 3,000 times more reactive than Clorox bleach, and it's 100% pure. That's what's so beautiful
Our
about
shoe
it.
bottoms, of course, if you're out and about and you go to your home, you don't walk in your house with your shoes. It's foul, it's filthy.
Yeah, it
You're
is.
bringing it into
Especially
play.
if you use the bathroom.
Oh my God!
at
Right.
the
I mean,
restaurant.
if the
Right.
floor is sticky at the restaurant, guess what you're
awful.
bringing into your home?
Filth.
So-
It's not dirt. It's filth,
And I
right?
wash our shoes, the
Yeah.
bottoms. And
Nice.
It's
Nice.
all,
Nice.
all good.
Nice.
All right.
So, how do you guys like your Thunder Pure Safe Air Minis?
We liked them while they worked for the 2 months.
Yeah,
I've
it
got
didn't
'em
last too
Well,
long.
you know what's really, yes, they do. Keep something in mind. Everything on earth that is produced, it's not made in heaven.
Amen.
Oh, we know
But,
that.
but one
We
of the
know
things
that.
we do is give heavenly service.
Ah,
So whenever you have any problems, and it is possible, we've sold Pertinier with the 3 different brands I originally created, the little plug-in. We've sold over 1 million over the years.
nice.
And so typically, they should last typically 5 years.
Before we leave the subject of the
Yeah.
EcoWasher,
Yes.
I think that's an inappropriate name. I think you should call it the disinfecting station.
I love it. No, I love it.
And I was
Big-
going to ask for
Yeah.
remember me when you start to change it and you get more sales.
Right.
But quite frankly, that is a disinfecting station.
It really is.
And I have another idea for
Yeah.
you. Might as well get it on video.
Yeah, right.
Why don't you put in dog washers? I worked for a new home construction place.
Yeah.
Dogs don't mind it being cold. And
Actually, you can wash your dog with it. It takes the smell, and it's wonderful for the skin. It's in Asia, ozone baths are like crazy because
We
it completely
need it in our
disinfects.
shower.
I
Yes.
wash my hands and my arms when I'm done outside.
Right.
Go back to the dog washer. In new house construction,
Yeah.
that's the number one thing that people put in is a place where you take your dog and you have a dog bath off the room.
Right,
And quite frankly, this would be a perfect fit.
right.
That's it.
Well, guys, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate all your comments.
All right, Julie.